Luxury perfume values delicacy over speed.
Uniformity is built before processing ever begins.
Gentle motion preserves delicate oils.
Heat is applied with restraint.
Purity includes what is reused.
Scent reveals itself in liquid form.
Harmony is rebuilt with intention. Consistency becomes visible in every bottle. The fragrance now carries its name with confidence.
Care continues beyond the glass.
Luxury fans its audience.
Luxury lives in shared moments.
And this is how modern factories produce perfume from start to finish.
Luxury perfume values delicacy over speed.
The moment of harvest defines the purity of scent.
Every fine fragrance begins with controlled natural precision.
Uniformity is built before processing ever begins. Only approved material moves forward. Freshness is protected without suffocating aroma.
Balance preserves both safety and scent.
Movement is slow when the cargo is fragile. Aroma stability now depends on environment.
Scent stability is engineered, not assumed.
The raw essence is cleared to enter transformation. Timing keeps materials calm and controlled.
Precision replaces momentum at the dock.
The world is secured before doors open.
Conditions equalize to protect aroma.
The batch arrives exactly as it left. Positioning prepares the next action.
Utilities and material converge here.
Access is opened without disturbing integrity.
Stability is confirmed before release.
Moisture is reduced, character retained. Cleaning removes what scent should not carry.
Purity includes what is reused.
Gentle motion preserves delicate oils.
Only what belongs moves on. Consistency is enforced in milliseconds. Preparation hands off to stabilization. The foundation is set for transformation. Containment protects what heat will soon unlock. Heat is applied with restraint.
What's given up its aroma moves aside.
Essence moves while structure holds.
Scent reveals itself in liquid form.
Fresh essence is given a protected pause.
The heart of the fragrance travels forward.
Data confirms what process has achieved.
Energy withdraws. Structure remains. The fragrance is born, and now it waits to be perfected.
Refinement begins only when stability is proven.
The essence advances without disturbance.
Refinement separates complexity into clarity.
Precision directs the path of transformation. Purity is shaped drop by drop.
Each note finds its rightful level. Only the desired character is retained.
Human senses conferred engineered precision.
Harmony is rebuilt with intention.
The fragrance steps closer to completion.
Balance is allowed to settle. The scent is refined, ready for intelligent automation. Automations begins where precision must repeat flawlessly. Measurement replaces estimation. Accuracy is verified before repetition.
Uniformity is engineered, not assumed.
Chemistry confirms identity.
Automation corrects faster than reaction.
Stability secures precision. Automation hands off a perfected essence. Technology completes what craftsmanship began.
Luxury begins when form is engineered from heat.
The fragrance arrives unchanged.
Luxury is defined before the fragrance ever enters.
Consistency becomes visible in every bottle.
Function is fitted with elegance.
Identity is marked without distraction.
Luxury is complete and ready to be tested.
The fragrance now carries its name with confidence.
Identity is applied with restraint and balance.
Luxury is tested only after identity is complete.
Every visible detail is verified.
Performance defines the first impression.
Containment holds under stress.
Science verifies what the eye approves.
Identity is confirmed at molecular level.
Approval authorizes release.
Beauty meets specification.
Quality clears the final path.
Excellence is now guaranteed.
Presentation becomes part of the product.
Care continues beyond the glass.
Luxury is protected with intention. Every unit leaves complete. Quality rests under controlled conditions.
From factory to world.
Luxury fans its audience.
Craft becomes possession.
Luxury lives in shared moments.
Fragrance becomes memory.
And this is how modern factories produce perfume from start to finish.